Let's address why the Spectrum TV app might be missing from your LG Smart TV. The primary reasons are regional restrictions and outdated software. Spectrum's app is officially only available in the United States due to content licensing. So first, ensure your TV's region is set to the US in the settings. If it's set to another country, the app won't appear in the LG Content Store. Secondly, an outdated version of LG's WebOS operating system can cause compatibility issues. Older versions may lack the necessary API support for modern apps like Spectrum. Make sure your LG Smart TV is running the latest WebOS version to ensure app compatibility. First, verify your TV's region setting. Go to Settings, then General, and check the location option to ensure it's set to the United States. If it's not, you may need to perform a factory reset, but be cautious as this will erase your settings. Next, check for WebOS updates. Navigate to Settings, then All Settings, General, About This TV, and Software Update. Install any pending updates to ensure you have the latest version of WebOS. After updating, search for Spectrum TV in the LG Content Store. If it now appears, install the app and log in with your Spectrum account credentials. If you still can't find the app after these steps, your LG TV might be an older model no longer supported by Spectrum. In that case, consider using alternative devices like a Roku or Fire TV Stick to access Spectrum.